Solo means too much. To look for your true image. I love you. Take it easy, bye. Sabali bali means come forward. Tala means too much. I love Fayette, all means I love you. Take it easy, bye.
Talo fato tatuar uma vez isso special case. Hi. I'd like to say hi everyone for today. What we today? So we're going to be talking about Faleolo. What's the meaning of Faleolo? Where's the name coming from? And, I'll give it out to my sisters and
Well, I'm going to do the English version, and someone else is going to do the Samoan version. Okay, we got Faleo, Lo. Faleo was the name of a place in which the Tongan people lived for many years. There was a war between Samoan and Tongan people. Tongan came to Samoa to colonize, to take over the country. And obviously the Samoan didn't want that. So there was a big battle and a war over the years. Tongan hid there for many years and it was called Paleo. Over time, the airport was built there. So we got the other part of the word coming out. Paleo, Lo. Lo means scratch. You know, it's like cats are doing. Or the planes are doing when they're landing. So we got Faleo, Lo. So if you're going overseas, just call us. 111.
Vai, tu pode ficar no Faleo or Lo. Okay, our next song. Falea Lili. Falea Lili. Oh, who's the number 3? Falakai. Sorry. Faleolo.
May I say Faleolo?